No baby drama, I'm too busy on the commas, gotta say what's up.
Hey, make some noise, man. It takes a lot of goddamn balls to do some shit like that. Honestly, I appreciate y'all, man. I'll give you your little $10, you know, if you want five, I can do that shit. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, I'm about to spit right now. Are y'all ready to get a little lit? Because, man, when I touch this microphone, man, I get a little lit. What's the word, bro?
Yo, Birdman, man, what the fuck, man? Get off that karaoke bullshit and spit your first, son. Shit, you know how we do.
Yo, check. This mic's not on. Can we turn the mic on? Hey, listen, professional tip, part 2. If you're ever rapping at a show and you can't hear yourself, cut the beat. I'm a professional, so I'm gonna tell y'all how to do it, because I understand there might be a lot of artists in the crowd and some people not know how to move and shit. If you can't hear yourself when you're performing, just stop performing. It's simple as that. Turn the mic up, I still can't hear it that good.
Thank you, OJ.
Check. I am an OG in this bitch, man. God damn it. Oh, that's what I'm fucking talking about. I can hear myself a little bit. Let me show you how you spit a little goddamn rap. Oh. You gonna clear the shit out of this. Check. I got all my enemies friending me. Get the jollies. I'm in the section with cannons and bottles. Be take on my jacket, Versace, no Dollar Tree. Dollars be calling me daddy. Don't bother me. Watching that picture, me rocking the top. Straight up and please say that right wall. Started that no that's okay. My thing pull up on the back. I'm about to come in. I simply can't hold it back. Jealousy, watching my back, cause it might be the death of me. Heavenly, die with a legacy. Thinking longevity. Sucking, ducking, suckers, looking at that cool. When I started buzzing, I see blue. All the fools, lucky got some juice, bitch. Yeah, my blue nickname, Al Pacino, white suit, black tuxedo, and blue bracelet, Pinos, I play for women. Bobby Bulls never had sneakers, they rule never had been either. G myself out on the solo, bitches pulling up, photo shoot, baby. I'm attracted to you, baby. I'ma have you, baby. Spend it all with you, baby. If not, it's cool. I can handle me too. I'm pulling out wood too. Pussy what it is, tsunamis. Yeah. Hey, have y'all drinking enough alcohol tonight? Because like, if you want to drink some more alcohol, that's the way you feel this shit, right? Yo, I'm the S-H-I-T voice, float like Otley Floyd. Man, can't knock me down. Who gon' stop me now? Crown me, pour me brown, royal whiskey now. Drinking till I'm drunk, peeking. Bro, what the fuck is this feedback? I can't even this is crazy, man. Make some noise for the feedback. We underwater right now, bro. This is insane. Holy shit. Bro, I'm surfing on these motherfucking beats. Yo, this goddamn, I've never experienced some shit like this. Okay. This is really crazy. Yo, what should we do? I think we should just accept it.
Yeah, beat it.
Where the fuck you at?
Yo, whoa.
Where the fuck you at?
This is like a lot of feedback. A lot of feedback. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, how are y'all feeling tonight? Like, what kind of vibe are you feeling? I guess I'm just gonna rap some more shit. Do y'all feel like it's a little early for this song? I'm gonna slow it down. Check this out. Shorty texts me daily overseas. She sees how I'm living life and checks out how I please. I'm amazed. Rose is nice, it's the love of my life. It's the real my home, baby. Pearl is my wife. Book a flight. I'm trying to show you all of my sights. Seeing views on a cruise through Miami is nice. Like, I show you shit you never seen before. You ever have a bacon maple donut? You ever paid too much for pretty clothing? Yo, it's whatever's clever. Usually the weather's better, but December made everything wetter. I pray shit gets dry so I can hang outside, lie under the stars. I see spectacular views. Little mommies with you. I'm so special, my boo. I know you flew through the sky. Come fuck with your guy. Well, it's a wonderful time, bitch. Yeah, after I choose you. This song, man, you gotta come on. Yeah, I choose you, baby, baby. Throw your hands in the air, you some true. I said I love you, you should call me baby. Cause I see some ladies tonight that you be having my baby. Baby. That was lit. Let's stop. 5 deep in the cook, my soul stays in me. I'm trying to figure out your party on the west side. Fucking man, let's ride. I got 4 doors, 10 balls, baby, let's ride. Nigga on my bullshit, we need that bullshit. Yo, here for poor man. Yeah, bitch, I say I never put my city second. Rockin' on my left. She's baby, get your ladies. And you know, party don't start until we're walking. I see baby on the couch and we start talking. Shawty shaking with a body and my jaws dropping. Big poppin' in this bitch, come on, you gotta sing this, come on. I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby, baby. I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby, baby. I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby, baby. I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby, baby. So you really all sweating, you don't ever get me. No mercy when I show you getting too freaky. Sweet and spicy, maybe like a pepperoni. Gypsy Genie, little piggy, sipping martinis. I'm going crazy in my kitchen with Big Alfredo. Man, she got me better than my super ego. Bambino, stealing boys like on T-Bus. Step up this game, I'll beat your ass in Tino. Oh, where the boys at? I've been cooking in this bitch, Broadway and rap. She got my 512 by her, JBL Pro. Hard to tell this shit, don't be well off. Baby, you know I'm no rap profit, but for you out here free, shorty no profit. You can sit me if you spit me up another topic. She like, it be cool if you rap about me. Oh, you smoke with your bitches, smoke with your bitches, smoke with your bitches. Oh, she got me lurking, kissing and pricing. But if you love hip-hop, you better at least say this one, come on. I said, I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. I said, I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Hey, yo, I see. That should be having my baby. Hey, yo, I see. That should be having my baby. Hey, right here. I said, I love you when she call me big. I said I love you when she call me big. Hey, yo, I love you when she call me big. Use the shit.
Make some motherfucking noise for not my nigga Bennett right the fuck now. And I'm not playing. And I'm not playing.
On God.
On God. On God. Lambo's about to get it crazy too, man. I hope you get the little feedback wave, bro, because I'm literally like up in here like, ooh, what's going on? Woo! So, anybody been to Alani before? Some call it Illinois.
We seen you there before.
You see me there?
Hell yeah.
So, a couple of weeks ago, maybe a couple of months ago, man, I had a pretty good addiction there. Some call it addiction. I was just like, it was a hobby. You know what I'm saying? A get money hobby until I lost it all. But the good thing about shit like that is like relationships. You can make a song about it. So I made this beautiful song about how much I love the casino. Like, I just love the casino. Like, I love the casino. Appreciate that one. You know what I'm saying? Some people might make songs about heartbreak and shit and they're like, yo, this is a real emotional song for me to perform. That song feels so good because like, bro, I fucking spent a lot of money at that place. Yeah, I had to go get a job, bro. I like spent all my music money and I had to go get a job. It was fucked up. I never had a job before. Don't go to the casino at all.
I'm ready for tonight.
Yeah, fuck up. I'm done going there. I had to quit. Atlanta, man. There's some real little Portland type vibes out here, man. I'm really happy, man. Like, I think I got a couple more songs for you in store, but I just really appreciate y'all, like, the love in here, man. It's cool, man. This is what Portland's gotta be at all times, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. I'm up here just like shit talking the shit out of this mic, bro. Mainly cause like, bro, when I be performing on speakers that is clipping and shit, bro, I get a little upset. Like one time, bro, me and these speakers was having a battle, bro. I was performing and I was looking at the speaker, bro, and I was like, fuck this speaker, man. You ain't gonna fuck on my voice, bro, because like my voice is so like, it's like a diamond, bro, and like, you don't wanna have your diamond scratched up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, who's got a light? Anybody got a light? Can we bust this down real quick? Bust it down. Bust it down. It's too much light, too much light, too much light. I'm fucking around. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, let's do a couple more. Let's see here. Yeah. If you feel comfortable to dance, you can. She told me ride with the click on. I got blocks on it, I got moves on it. My shorty got her own man. Yeah, get tight with it, come on. Moves like I'm down for the freak. I could be on the floor, so we can be right. Yo, hey yo, so this one's good. Put it on the front, catch me in the cut, and you can't say what's up. Look me in the face, baby, never look away. Put me in a list with big pocket check. In and out of lanes, swerving in the foreign. Is it really foreign? If it's big German, Missy go work it, tell it get perfect. Oh, your little booty back and reverse it. Go, shy. Yo, throw that ass in the party. I said, do that thing with your body. Yeah, I'm not having that. I start chasing it, my joints get loose. I can see trouble in juice, I hit the button and boost. Got me sitting wild, gripping the bottle. I'm telling any nigga my hand, she look like I'm out, baby, the baddest in the room. But she packing a slouch, I can be killing me women as I be talking about. I'm not thinking anything, if anything is freaky and wild, really not in the child. Yo, any my brand new keys, got the old school kids with the label V's. They about to see this, that, they sell dreams, so I'm marrying this fist to the boy gets praised. She told me ride with the clip. That's and I got gloss on, this got moves on. Yo, shorty got a yeah, my baby tight with the grip on. Put me up for a week, so I'm in his brain. Yeah, and let me give you a whole way. She told me ride with the clip. That's and I got gloss on, this got moves on. Shorty got a whole way. Yeah, my baby tight with the grip on. Put me up for a week, so I'm gripping brain. Yeah, I hear the shit. Yeah, the most like I'm down for free. Put me up for a week, so I'm gripping brain. Down with the most. Down with the most. I'm down for free. Put me up for a week, so I'm gripping brain. Down with the most. I'm being tight with the grip on bust. Down with the moves like I'm down for free. Put me out for a week, so I'm gripping the brain. Yeah. And let me switch that way. Hey, shout out Boca, man. You want a shout out tonight, man? Come on. Because this is a real OG right here, man. Real recognized real, bro. This dude has given me so much advice throughout my life. I can't even like help to acknowledge it, bro. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I feel like I know everything, but this dude taught me so much shit. Make some noise for Boca. Forever respect, bro. Produce? Yeah, I got like one more song tonight. Then Neighbor's about to come up here and fuck it up. This is like one of those songs where it's like, you gotta kind of move your body just a little bit.
How do you get so fly?
Yeah.
10,000 ways to get fly. Baby, if you fly. Girl, you sound like a song, baby, show me the light. 10,000 ways to get fly. Baby, if you fly. Say you're in the wrong place, yeah, catch you get shot in the wrong ways. Best dressed with no rose ways, never been a thing, man. I always had the Lloyds in the chain. Turn my neck green, but it blank, ain't gon' fuck what they think. Who's that sexy motherfucker? Boy got red, but I sound like butter. Girl say yeah, more time and Usher. Hey yo, baby, this. It don't get better than this. Just listen. I ain't sure you gon' set it aside. Come on, baby, let's hit 10 down, wait. This is my famous lyric. Hey yo, once upon a time, begging like 21 9. I felt all the COVID 19. I was swagging on scene, rocking shit no one's ever seen. And I'm a fucking fashion police, I'm big to the gang. Blue style looking like shit. Shoes face up with the chains, big swinging my face. Going on my own with the pay. Now my little buddies get J. All my little buddies get J's. Man, I just bought my little brother shoes yesterday. I said, baby, this. And baby, this you fly on. I ain't sure you gon' set it aside. Come on, baby, this. Down 10, y'all too big. Yeah, and baby, this you fly. Girl, you sounding like the sun, baby. Show me the light. Hey, I got the camera movements on deck. Baby, is you fly? Yeah, man, that's my time, man. I really appreciate y'all fucking with me. Hell yeah.
Appreciate you, man. Should we switch this shit up? Say, what you want me to do, man? You go and give me a little money, man. I'll make fucking rabbit come out my hat, man. Oh, you want that? Burn. Hey, man. That's my shit. That's some swaggy shit.
I feel like Oregon State should be stoned with that.